everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a designer or a developer, you probably know the feeling of juggling between a hundred of tabs, tools and shortcuts just to get your design looking perfect. So today I've got something super helpful, a list of 10 insanely useful plugins that can seriously boost your workflow, save time and even add a bit of fun to your creative process. Whether you're sketching, wireframing, polishing pixel perfect UIs, or building out your next SES dashboard, these tools are like having a secret design assistant right in Figma. And I guarantee you will find at least one plugin here that make you go, wait, how did I not know about this earlier? So let's jump into the Figma application without wasting any more time.
Hey everyone, if you're wondering where to find all these plugins, at the bottom you will see an Explore community. Click on that. Here you will find all kinds of Figma assets including plugin. At the top navigation you will see a plugin tab. It is already filtered for you. You can also click on a C plugin to jump directly to the plugin section, or simply scroll down where you will find a browse all plugin option. Here you can explore using filters like accessibility tools, prototyping and more. Under all product, you can refine by categories like design, dev mode. You can even filter by paid and free plugin. Alright, now let's jump into the first plugin. You can also install plugins from inside a Figma file. Just right click, go to plugin, manage plugin, search for Landify and run it. Inside the box, you can write prompts. For example, create a landing page for a logistic business. Click the Landify button and within a second it generates a wireframe. It gives you starting point with a banner, service section, footer, etc., which you can easily customize and build upon. Need to remove an image background? No need for Photoshop anymore. Just search icons 8 background remover in plugin, select the image and run this plugin, and boom, background remove perfectly in a second. So let's try out another image for this bottle. Let's see how it works. So it's done the work perfectly again. This plugin delivers great result in each time. Want to add some fun to your design? Use animated emojis to bring your project to life with expressive that capture attention and enhance your engagement. Create a new screen, give some color to the background, zoom in, right click, search animated emojis and run the plugin. You will find a huge collection of animated emojis here. Just hover over them to any emojis to see the animation live. Drag the emoji onto your canvas. Centerline this emoji to the screen. And preview. So these images are perfect for congratulatory screen or playful interfaces. So let's try to add new emoji. Again add into the screen. So these animations are pretty good. So yeah, it's done. So let's check next plugin, Generative Gradients. Search Generative Gradients in the plugin. You will discover stunning gradients design like sun-kissed skies, jewel tones, stardust stream and many more. You can tweak settings like angle, strength, noise. After adjusting, just click place image and you are ready to use it in your design. At the top you can see you can adjust the canvas size up to 4000 pixels. Let's try this gradient. You can also add more points. This is also good. And yep, that is for generative gradients. So let's jump into the fifth plugin, UI Faces. Search UI Faces in the plugins. Looking for an avatar for your profile screen? It offers faces collections like human, alien, cartoon, and abstract faces. Scroll through and simply insert the face you like into your design. So let's try this image into our profile picture. So yep, it's done. So let's talk about the next plugin, Photopea. This is a complete Photoshop alternative inside of Figma. Right click, manage plugin and search for Photopea. It replicates the Photoshop interface. If you see, it's the same top navigation. So let's take this image. You can easily adjust things like hue saturation, and the same side tools, like if you can see that magic wand. And when you are done, press Ctrl plus S, which we used to do in a Photoshop. Yep, it's done. Want to convert an image into a trace vector like which we used to do in Illustrator software. So search the plugin Image Tracer. So in this image tracer, click on the second tab, color. Like first one is black and white and another one is color. As you can see, in a color there is a preview, pre-processing and tracing. If the vectorization is done, just click on a place trace vector. So it will take time for tracing image, and boom, it's given the perfect result. So it's like an Illustrator vectorization but inside Figma. Now jump into the next plugin. If you need a perfect shadow, let's take an example of this card. Right click, plugin, manage plugin, search beautiful shadows. Yep, this one. Just click on a run. So play with the angle of this shadow. Like you have to click on this circle and move it wherever you want, so to get a perfect shadow. And if you want more setting, just click on this three dot, so you will get an angle, brightness, opacity. So these are the things. Just play with it, and if it is done, just click on apply. That's it. So it's a pretty simple, right? Now jump into the ninth plugin, Uwarp font replacer. Changing a one by one font manually can be pain, right? So if you check the screen, there are a whole lot of fonts from top to bottom. If you want to change in a one go, just search Uwarp font replacer. For this screen, there is a Lexan font and I want to change into Poppins. So click on this box and search Poppins font. Poppins regular, and Poppins bold. Just click change. So in the one go, it will change all the fonts of the screen. So it make your work pretty much faster. So yeah, it's done. And the last plugin, but the not least, Unsplash. If you need a free high quality images very fast, search Unsplash. So let's take an example of this app. I want to add a travel image. On the editorial, there are multiple number of images which you can use. Apart from that, you can search, for example, hotel in the search box. Scroll it down. Okay, I like this image, so just click on it and boom, it's done. And if you want a illustration image, just click on the illustration. So you will find numerous amount of illustration related to the hotels. You can filter it out, relevance, all orientation, and you can also find the free images if you want. So let's check on a presets. You will find different categories images you can use. You can see there is an abstract, animal, minimal, nature, plant, and yeah, that's it for this video.
And there you have it, 10 must-have Figma plugin that can save your hours, reduce headache, and make you look like an absolute design bro. And which one is your favorite? Or maybe you got a plugin which is super useful but didn't make the list. Drop it in the comment below. I love to check it out. If this video helped you, be sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, keep designing smart, not hard. Catch you in the next one.